Brett here with Connect Home Buyers. I wanted to show you this. We just closed on this property yesterday. We've got the guys in here cleaning it out. If you know somebody that may be interested in selling their house now or in the near future, give us a shout. We'll be able to make a cash offer for your property. You won't pay any closing costs. That means no realtor commissions, no transfer tax, nothing like that. And we would purchase the property as is. So you wouldn't have to make any repairs, do any cleaning. If you're tired of cleaning out your rental, maybe an inherited property that you don't have the ability or time to repair, like this, that may be perfect for a cash offer. You know, the other thing is that we'd be able to close in your timeline. So whether it's fast or maybe 60, 90 days, give us a shout. Let's see if we can put something together that works really good for you and your family. We'll talk to you soon.